Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Kajabi membership, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register for a Kajabi membership, begin by visiting the Kajabi website. Once you reach the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on this button to begin your registration process. You will be directed to a page asking for your email address. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, choose a password that meets the security requirements specified. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the following field. After completing the email and password sections, click on the Create Account button. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Kajabi. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will redirect you back to the Kajabi website. Once verified, you may need to provide additional information. Fill in your first and last name as prompted. Select your preferred subscription plan from the available options. Review the plan details to ensure it meets your needs. Input your payment information securely in the designated fields. Once all information is entered, click on the Complete Registration button. After registering, you will receive a welcome message on the screen. You can now log into your Kajabi account using your email and password. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the features. Congratulations, you are now officially a Kajabi member. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.